Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, New Trending Fashion. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, being well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty. So Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And viewers, you also pray for me. Well, let's see my latest video today. I'm sharing you the beautiful Crochet Amigurumi dog pattern. So please, you must watch my video till the end. Beautiful ideas, different pattern, different style. Very nice, beautiful pattern. Some are white color, some are brown color, black color, white brown, black brown, white black, mixed color. Long ear pattern with long tail pattern. Okay viewers, thanks for watching my video. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.